Face powder. Look, y'all. But I just gotta let y'all know the tea. With me, because I'm not doing this trip by myself.
That's really my hope, is to at least find ways to give people that feeling, you know, where they get to realize their dreams.
So cherish the time you was given. Be thankful you eatin', not just on Thanksgiving. I don't ask to be forgotten, I just ask to be forgiven. Take niggas, damn.
Normalized the dialogue to health, but they have not normalized the dialogue.
It's a brand new day. I'm about to take the kiddos ice skating. I wanted to go and pick up some Uggs today, but that didn't happen. I'll see if we still have time because it's only 6 o'clock. Y'all know daylight savings is making it feel like it's way later than what it really is. One place I am going is to the beauty supply store because I'm not pressing the rest of my hair out while I'm here. It's just not gonna happen. Y'all, doesn't my sister look so cute? The way I spent too much money for this tripod to really be giving me this many problems, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm about to put these socks on. The kids is ready. Ice skating. Down. No, tilt it. I'm better. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
A Scooby snack, because Scooby deserves a Scooby snack. Always in my elbow.
And oh, you gonna love you. You don't wanna hug me and squeeze me.
And it's snowing in Florida. Look, y'all. I didn't have any memory on my camera, so I had to get it together. I actually need to go inside a painting.
And oh, you gonna love me. You don't wanna hug me and squeeze me. And oh, you gonna love you. You don't wanna hug me and squeeze.
Made it inside. I'm about to get the kids gloves because it's gonna be a little cold. I was about to talk myself out of it, but I'm gonna go and stay. Hopefully I don't go and break the damn leg.
Where's this at in here? I might get one before I leave.
Oh, it's also hot chocolate.
How much?
Right now, I think whatever the green leaves are. Oh, for real? What time did you go to see last night?
5.
3 hours of rest, y'all. Say that.
Yeah. You gotta get to the gym. Very cool.
See you later, alligator.
Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it down.
Alright, y'all, the makeup is done. Now we gotta do the hair. So she's looking crazy. But I'm gonna put my outfit on first, and then we're gonna curl her up.
Yeah, how that party I look so. Dog, how that party I look so. How my girl them turn up and I look so. What you do to me? Selector, bounce a wanna feed the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the gangsta bus blank. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white. Big selector a player, you no rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it to a madman. If you not happy, follow me then. Girl a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for it, what you talking about? Road belly, you don't want see no host. Me a rave and a wave, and it's up to your mouth. Bubble, gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble dem a bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble. Alright then, y'all them fun. Alright then, Y'all left on head top a spin like gig. Me have to ask if some of them right it. Watch the one day with the wire waistline. Watch your body there, yo, dog. Look how that beat. Cock up, girl, show your talent and skill. Red label wine, you a turn on the drill. Like a bust inna me head like grenade. But all when me talking, delayed me not left. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me lit, me no want see no house. Me a rave and a wait, when the sun fi come out. Gyal a bubble, bubble, gyal a bubble, bubble dem a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble dem a bubble. Selector, bounce a wanna feed the gyal dem bubble pan. If you love to see the gyal dem a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the gangsta boss gang. Over the gyal dem time, play song fi gyal white. Big selector up there, you no rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the gyal dem a should be. Hey, when the gyal dem a dip it and a drop it, you a madman. If you not happy, follow me then. Gyal a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me lit, me no want see no house. Me a rave and a wave, and the sun keep about. Gyal a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble dem a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble, bubble gyal a bubble. Alright then.
Tired is an understatement, y'all. I done fell asleep in the car. Alright, I'm about to do a little quick switcheroo. La 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 la. Girl is home. Heading out to go to Best Buy. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it today or if I can start this up tomorrow, but I know for a fact that I want some pho. I'm thinking about getting a reef and some other little things to just get it a little festive in here, because I'm only here for 14 days. Just like, it makes no sense to do it. I came over here to grab, oh, I needed some setting spray for my face. Shake it up, shake it. But this is the look. We about to rock out. So I ended up not going to the Best Buy. I just felt like it was too much. So I ended up just coming here to get me some pho. And we're gonna do Christmas stuff, Christmas spirit stuff after. But I'm about to go in here and show y'all what I get when it comes to my pho order. I like that it's chill, you know, not too much going on. I usually get the shrimp pho, the extra jalapenos. I'll also do the shrimp skewers. The Vietnamese coffee is really, really good.
Yeah. I just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand and your silence goes away. When you walk into the room, all my partners stop and stare at you. But they just wanna go show up. It's the tattoo on your back and the brand on your back. It can match your high heels. I can't help this girl is swag, it's true. Just wanna
not eat crazy, but I want something really good, it be getting the job done. I found me a little festive spot to come and get some Christmas drinks at. It's a vibe.
Every day, I just be styling this hard to sleep. See her, she never made it hard for me. See her, I can't trust my eyes. Wait, how do I see? I'm in the high, she's in the heat. Tell me why, and for what? I was prepared.
I really just didn't want to go up in the crib and put my Christmas tree up without at least finding something fun and festive. So that's basically what we did.
Almost 24 hours. I've been up for 22 hours. Damn.
'It's Christmas time. The people are outside. We are going to a little speakeasy slow jam R&B session. Get on the green door. Secret Elf or something like that. Something Elf. I don't know. I will link it if you guys are interested in going. This is getting very festive in Atlanta. So as you can see, we're not at the location. It was closed for an event. It opens at 10. I have to go back at 10 if we still want to go. But we're gonna go to the same spot that I went to. I wanted to bring Brandy here anyway. That's it, they gave me a Christmas cup. Y'all, we made it. I'm ready to go home later. About it, how did you? Worst experience is crazy. You have to appreciate the Christmas.
One drink. I done had some margaritas.
I don't know where we're at on this vlog, y'all, but 110,000% over Christmas shopping. I just got back home. I'm about to cook. I usually do mahi tacos and shrimp tacos. So I'm gonna just chill out and show you guys the process and listen to some Christmas music. But I just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing, so I just won't just pop in making dinner and then y'all don't have a clue. This is the mahi. It's from Publix. Girl, you can close the thing. It's not that big.
We need a bag and we might get a deal. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got it, deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows that she gets down just like Lindsay. From the blood, she's not on the shot. So you know that dish bag, watch her blow. It's away.
Ain't nobody messing with her in the kitchen. These tacos too? Did you squeeze your line? Oh. bad for y'all watching.
The way these Doritos taste.
Hey, yeah. Oh no, but I knew it was gonna be okay once I seen it. You know what was panicking.
I went to Ulta today to also return this Billie Eilish travel size perfume that I had got. The top busted on me and I was like, I just bought this 2 days ago. So I had to switch that out. Thank God they only had one left. And I went to Best Buy to pick up my iMac. That is one of my Christmas gifts from my rents. Shout out to them. I literally just bought a new chair and I'm obsessed with my chair. So the fact that this is all coming together, the next thing I'm gonna need is a new desk area. It needs to go. But let's get into it.
Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's because they live at their highest. 4L steps, she ain't stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Tell her to open a safe.